Today we're exploring the journey of Tommaso Cioni, the son-in-law of Nancy Guthrie and husband of Annie Guthrie, who has found himself at the center of intense public scrutiny following the mysterious disappearance of his mother-in-law in early 2026. As the last known person to see the 84-year-old mother of Today show anchor Savannah Guthrie, Cioni's life as a private educator and musician has been upended by a high-stakes investigation that has captured the nation's attention. So, where is Nancy Guthrie's son-in-law now? Let's find out. Following Nancy Guthrie's disappearance on the 1st of February 2026, Cioni became a primary focus for investigators and online sleuths alike. He was the one who dropped Nancy off at her Tucson home at approximately 9:50 p.m. the night before she vanished, ensuring she made it safely inside. In the weeks that followed, the pressure on Cioni intensified as the FBI released surveillance footage of a masked, armed suspect, leading some to speculate about physical similarities. Despite the public trial by social media, Pima County Sheriff Chris Nanos has repeatedly defended the family, stating they have been nothing but cooperative and gracious, and officially asking for an end to unverified speculation. Cioni has largely retreated from his normal professional and social circles. Once an active teacher at Basis Oro Valley and a bassist in the post-punk band Early Black, he has been forced to step away from these roles due to the overwhelming media attention and security concerns. While he has cooperated fully with the FBI, including a reported 2026 interrogation, he and his wife Annie have remained unified as they navigate the trauma of Nancy's ongoing absence. Where is Tommaso Cioni now? As of now, Tommaso Cioni is residing in a secured, private location in the Tucson, Arizona area. Following the search of his own property by federal agents, he and Annie Guthrie have reportedly moved into a nearby high-security residence with other family members to avoid the intense media presence at their home. Current status: he remains in Arizona, continuing to cooperate with the Pima County Sheriff's Department and the FBI in the active search for Nancy Guthrie. Legal standing: he has not been charged with any crime. Sheriff Nanos emphasized as recently as late February 2026 that while the son-in-law was a person of interest due to being the last to see her, there is no evidence to mark an innocent man. Personal life: Cioni and Annie have significantly increased security around their family as they deal with the fallout of the investigation and the global interest in the case. Tommaso Cioni has transformed from a private science educator into a figure shadowed by a complex and ongoing criminal investigation. While he continues to maintain his innocence and his devotion to finding his mother-in-law, he remains a central figure in a story that has proven the internet is often not interested in fitting into a neat little box, prioritizing its own theories over official findings. Thanks for watching the video. If you want more episodes on your favorite figures and their journeys, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.